Welcome to this tutorial on using the online certificate editor. In this video, we'll walk through how to move elements, resize text and decorations, and adjust the width of the text box. To adjust the width of a text box, move your cursor to the square handle at the top right corner of the text box. Click, hold, and drag to resize. If your text is already typed in, it will automatically reflow to fit the new width. Moving elements. To move any text or decoration, hover your cursor over the element you want to move. Click and hold the left mouse button. Then drag the element to your desired position and release the mouse button. To change the text size, hover over the circular handle at the bottom right of the text box. Click, hold, and drag to scale the text up or down. In a similar way, we can manipulate the decoration. Click and drag on the decoration to reposition. Click the circular handle at the bottom right of the decoration and drag to scale the decoration up or down. Now we know how to manipulate the text and decoration, please take a minute to view the other help videos: text formatting and adding more text boxes, changing backgrounds and decorations, and downloading your certificate.